Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, sorry if the camera's really weird, but I just want to do a face cam video. Oh my gosh, I'm literally looking at my screen and it is not good. But this not the video is today. I want to thank you guys so much. I'm sorry, excuse my hair. It's a little bit messy, but it is what it is. Just don't look at my hair. Yeah. So today, guys, I want to thank you so much for all your support. So I was looking at my videos. I was deleting some of my videos because I didn't do as good as I was expecting them to do. So I deleted like probably 6 to 7 videos, and I was looking at like 3 videos. One of them was the survival one, and the second one was let me know if I should destroy this, and the other one was if I hit 100 subscribers. And you guys, I don't know, but that video got so much views. I'm not even joking when I say this. The let me when we hit 100 subscribers, that got 192. Yeah, I still remember 92. And I still want to thank you guys. I'll show you right here. I'll take it off screen mode. I will go right here, show you. You can see I was looking at my videos here, guys, and how crazy. I will literally show it. Look at this. Let me know if I should destroy this. I got 177 subscribers, guys. That's insane. Insane, bro. Thank you guys so much. And the other one is, give me a sec, guys. What do I have here? I don't even know why I have these open. But, and the other one was right here. We hit 100 subscribers. And 192 subscribers, guys. You can see right here. And 23 likes, 19 comments. I need to read the comments, guys. I will be doing a Q&A shortly. If you guys want to follow my social medias, link will be in the description. But yeah, and one more subscriber actually got 199 views, which I'm surprised. And this one, Let's Play Minecraft Survival, 122 views. Like, oh my gosh, if you guys mean a lot to me. Like, you guys are awesome. You've been supporting me. Like, I just want to thank you so much. You guys are amazing. And yeah. So the channel is doing pretty good, but I'm sorry I haven't uploaded for quite a while now. And that is because, oh man, my voice. It's because my mic. If you guys can see, I deleted the live stream that I had because I was watching it and it was really bad, and my mic wasn't working as well, so I had to delete that video. But yeah, so I won't be getting a new mic soon, but I am saving up money to get like an actual gaming mic, which I hope it doesn't break like these other ones like this. I bought like 5 mics in the past, but they broke because they're really bad. And yeah, so I honestly don't know what I'm gonna talk about anymore, but I just want to thank you guys so much. And if we go to search XD, sorry if the camera's gonna move, shake. So sorry, but if we go to XD Gamer channel, guys, ours pops up first one, and yeah, so it pops up the first one, and here I can show you guys the first channel. But if you game for play, yeah. Oh, why does it take forever? Hello, come on, load up. Oh no, this might take a while. Hello, are you gonna work? Bruh. Hello. Oh, here it is. My computer is really laggy. I don't know why. But here you go, 102 subscribers, guys. I know we lost like 2 subs. That's okay though. I'm not really mad because there's a glitch on YouTube is where like if you sub and unsub that -2, and I realized that because my friend did that, and yeah, my friend did that, and yeah, now we have 200 subscribers, but I'm not really mad. And yeah, oh my gosh, I got it. That video did amazing, and once again, thank you guys so much. And we're almost, no, we're getting there, guys. We're almost at not almost, but we're getting closer and closer every day. at 300. I mean, almost two. I can't talk, guys. Sorry, 4,000 views in total of my channel, and my goal is to get 10,000 views because I can get ads in my videos, and yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna thank you once again for all your amazing support lately, guys, and get ready. I will be making a video on the survival. I joined my friend's survival world. He's my cousin. I joined his, and you guys will be seeing survival on the PC. So it's not gonna be a console. It's not gonna be a PS4, but it is gonna be on the computer. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, subscribe. If you want to follow me on my Twitter, link will be in the description. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. It's been XD Gamer Channel, and peace out.